Hey Sunshine! Have you seen the Harley Quinn Birds of Prey movie yet? I saw it 2 weeks ago and I absolutely loved it. The soundtrack is awesome too. So it got me kind of inspired and I decided I wanted to try to draw Harley. But the problem is that I hadn't done a realism drawing in a couple of years, so I wasn't sure I could pull it off well enough to match the idea in my head, but here we are. I thought I'd give it a go. I don't have a whole lot more to say about it, so I'll leave you to enjoy the music and I'll check back in before it's done. Hey, I'm back. And as you can probably tell, I'm almost done with the drawing now, so while I've still got your attention, if you are enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, and ring the bell to get notifications every time I post a new video. And before I show you the finishing touches and how Harley turned out, I wanted to take a second to recognize my newest patrons, Lorene and Cheryl. Welcome to the team. Of course, I'm super grateful for your support, and I hope you love the bonus content and printables. If you want to see your name in the credits of every video, come join the team over on Patreon. I'll leave a link in the description box below. So at the very end here, I used a transfer technique to get the font from my Photoshop reference onto my paper. I traced the text with pen, filled in the background, and c'est fini. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how it came out. I'm a little rusty, but I'm hoping that this becomes the first of more drawings to come and not just me waiting 10 years to pick up my pencils again. If you're interested in a print of Harley, I'll leave a link to my Society 6 shop in the description, and for patrons of the channel, I've made a phone wallpaper to download for free. I appreciate you joining me on this artsy adventure today, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time.